In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Teams app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install Teams app, you need to go to Google Play Store app or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, and from this, activate search here. If you don't see this search bar, you should see a search icon here. Tap on it to search for your app by name. So just type in Teams and run your search. Here we have the app. This is the app, Microsoft Teams. Make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 8 million reviews. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 500 million times, and the average file size is around 70 MBs. So this data might have changed by the time you are watching this. Now, when you see these details, you know that you have the right app. To install it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of this Microsoft Teams app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to set up your Microsoft Teams account on this app and start your communications. So that's how you can install Microsoft Teams on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.